Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a global picklist in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to go to setup, and from there, we need to click on setup, and then we need just to search for quick find, in the quick find for the global picklist. So as you can see here, we can find this picklist value set, and from here you can just click new, and basically all these are global value set. So you will need just to name your set. So I will just name it my set, and from here I think I already have it like that. I'm just going to name it like this, and basically here you will need just to add the values. So basically those are all the values for my set. Now I'm just going to click on display value alphabetically and use the first value as default value always. So I'm just going to click on save, and here I have some duplicates, and let's just click save again, and now I have my values for this pick list. So now you can start using this global value set in your object manager or in your objects. So basically, you can go and start creating a new field, and you can choose the pick list here, and basically you can start assign the global pick list to it. So from here, we can find that I already have my global picklist. So you can use a global picklist value set and start assigning to this picklist value. So basically, this is how you can create a global picklist in Salesforce. Thank you for watching and see you next time.